See that big building right there? That's Amazon. They're about to open. If you want a job, it's basically a done deal that you're gonna get hired there. When this old world is getting you down and people are just too much for you to face up on the roof of my van. Happy Tuesday. Some of you guys have really been enjoying my videos on van and RV beggars. I thought I was done with the topic, but I have two more ideas. Hanging out in the parking lot right now at work. Watch this. Yo man, why when Jordan offered to buy you the Last of Us 2, why didn't you let him buy it for you?
Because you don't let other men buy you stuff? That's weird.
Why is that weird?
It's
It's free. It's a free $50. Why don't you want $50 for free?
because I can work for whatever I need.
But it's free. You don't have to work. Why do you want to work?
You know,
Because what?
it feels better knowing you can get it for yourself.
Feels better knowing you could do it for yourself. See, I got a comment saying that if e-beggars put half the effort going to an actual job and didn't e-beg, they would make more money. So this inspired me to do some math. I'm Asian, so I like math, and I also like flip-flops and socks. I'm very proud of the American math team. They took home the gold. I'm sure most of you know about Social Blade. If you want to look up how much people make on YouTube, just go on Social Blade. Here's mine. I have a B minus. If my mom knew that, she would be like, why you don't have A plus? So according to this, I make $149 to $146 a month. I'll be honest with you guys. I think last month I made like $224. So that's about 50% off. So 50% off, that's $219. Here, I'll do math in person. I wish I was smarter so I could be an accountant, but I'm not very bright. But see, 146. Let's go back here. 146 times 0.50 equals 73. So that's $73. And then you just add 146. There you go. That's $219. So close enough. So Social Blade is about 50% off for me. When it comes to van and RV life channels, it's mostly the Instagram influencers in their sprinters that have 100,000 subscribers or followers, and guys who like to share pictures of their girlfriend in swimsuits. They want other guys to look at their girlfriend. They're recommended to me all the time, those type of channels. But sometimes not very attractive people get 100,000 subscribers due to being a pity case. So you don't have to be a pretty girl on the internet to get donations. You could be a big pity case. This channel is a big pity case. I'm not going to name the channel. Since I want this to be an informative video, I feel like my point will come off stronger because I'm showing the math and I'm talking about getting a job. So that's what I want to do. I don't want to be accused of clout chasing. I'm not using this person's username in my title or tags. That being said, I think it's hilarious when people talk about RV and van life e-beggars. And that's how I found out about this channel. This channel is constantly crying, but she claims to be a strong woman. It's not very strong if you're complaining all the time, asking for donations. So, according to Social Blade, $987 a month. Add 50% to that, like I did with my channel. Almost $1,500 a month. This person has 223 Patreons. You could donate $5, that's the low end. And you could donate up to 100, and she'll really consider you a friend if you donate 100. Let's assume everyone donated $5 out of that 223 Patreons. So about $1,100, about $1,500 on YouTube. That's pretty good. $1,500 a month making YouTube videos is pretty good. So this person is making about $2,600 a month. That's not bad. Living in your RV, $2,600 a month is really good. If you're really good with your money, you could live off of that. But she's always complaining. She's always complaining. She always has a tragedy. She always needs donations, so it's obvious she's not making enough. You know, she doesn't seem very happy with her life, so she needs to get a job. Okay, if you work 40 hours, you're going to get $504. This is all adjusted, taxes taken out. If you do 50 hours, you get another $200. That's with the time and a half adjusted for taxes. If you do 60 hours, which Amazon offers, they do offer 12-hour days, you will make $3,616. That's with the taxes taken out in a month. So this person with the 100,000 subscriber channel makes approximately $2,500. So if this person just did a month at Amazon, on top of her YouTube money, she could add $3,600 to what she's making. That's not bad. And if you work 3 months at Amazon, they give you $1,000 bonus. So $3,600 for doing 60-hour weeks. A little sacrifice. You might not be able to upload videos on YouTube for, you might be able to upload a little bit, on the weekend, but in exchange you get $3,600. I don't think you're going to have tire problems. So, if money's always an issue, get a job. Hey man, you want to donate $15 a month? This woman will make you a personal video. Would you like to see a personal video of her?
No.
$15 a month, man.
I'm good.
You don't want to see her?
I like to keep my $15.
The reason why I use Amazon as an example where you could get a job is because no matter what state you're in, I believe Amazon hires for $15 an hour no matter where you're at. Amazon is always hiring, and I figure most of my subscribers are blue collar. I don't think any doctors, lawyers, judges, brain surgeons, pro athletes, movie stars, I don't think any of those people are watching my channel. If you fall in that category, stop by in the comments and let me know, why are you watching videos about a $6,000 van? I'm really curious about that. If that walk of life happens to be part of my demographic. If those guys want to sleep in a vehicle, they got a $500,000 coach, or they're sleeping in a yacht, or they have a private jet. I don't think any of those people watch channels like mine. I'm just a guy who likes to go on road trips, and I don't like sleeping in hotels. I like sleeping in my van. It's an adventure for me. And then people that watch RV, nomad type channels, I don't think that walk of life, the top 1%, I don't think they're watching this either. I think it's blue collar people who watch channels like this, who watch channels like RV nomad type channels. Some people want to work 6 months out of the year and rest the other 6, like go on vacation for another 6. Some people sleep in their vehicle, live in their vehicle so they could save money for retirement. They don't have to pay rent, so that extra money they save, they're saving it for retirement. And then you got some people who don't want to work at all. Some of these van life channels, they don't want to work at all, so they live off YouTube income and donations. Here's the thing. I've seen 100 subscriber channels, less than 100 subscriber channels, make a couple videos and they're ready for donations. At least some of these channels with big subscriber counts, they've been around a couple years at least, so when you're new, you're going to talk to people, and then when they get popular, they stop talking to people, but they build up sympathy. they build up this fake aura of friendship, so then they feel comfortable asking for donations. So the only defense I could give is at least some of these channels have been around for years and years, so they get comfortable asking for donations. Some people don't even want to wait a couple years before they ask for donations. They put out a video or two and they're ready to ask for donations now. So not every van and RV life channel is going to make $1,500 to $2,500 a month. This person is making pretty decent money. But could you imagine a van channel with even less subscribers making way less money than that, and they want to live off your donations? You're not going to make it in life. And that's why, what a solution a job is. So let's take a 50,000 subscriber channel. They're going to make half of that. You can't live off $700 a month. So you get a job, you work a lot, you work hard at a job anyone could do. You're making $3,600 a month. You're in a lot better shape when you're making $3,600 a month versus nothing and even $2,500. So if this person just got a job at Amazon, add $3,600 to the $2,500 she's making now, I think she would be a lot happier and less depressed. If you don't have a job, get a job. You'll be all right. I promise. It's very rewarding when you daydream about something and you work hard and you finally get what you've been daydreaming about. You feel a sense of pride. George Foreman. A lot of people don't know that George Foreman was a boxer. He wasn't just a guy who sells grills, who has his name on a grill. George Foreman said that for as long as he lives, he wants to have a job. He wants to be a productive part of society. And that's what you are. No matter what you do for a living, you're producing in society. And all of us together, we create opportunity, and opportunity allows us to have a great life, to have a fun life. So get out there, be a productive member of society, and have some dreams. Dream big.